Hi, Chelsea. Good evening. Hi, Chels.
Wait,
Where are you? Oh my gosh. Maybe you just arrived at home.
just wait.
Okay, okay.
God. Okay, it's okay.
All right. So you're just arrived at home?
No, I add no, don't ask.
Okay, so you are not at home, right? You mean?
Yes,
Oh, I
I'm not at
see.
home.
Okay. So, are you in your vacation?
Yes, I am
Ah,
in my vacation.
okay, got it. So, what else? Are you done with your dinner?
So nothing. Just go.
Okay, let's go to our lesson then. Okay. So, can you see now my screen, right? So, do you know these places, Chels?
Yes, I did
Ah,
know.
okay. So, the first one, what do you think is this?
It's something in India.
Something in India. Yes. Okay. So, uh, because we also study this with one of my students, but I forgot the name. Okay, this one.
This is like a place.
Hmm.
So the first one is planet. I don't know, but the second one is Eiffel Tower.
Oh, okay. Wow. And how about the third picture?
I don't know.
Hmm. Wait for me. Okay, the structure is really unique. Okay, this one.
Which one?
Okay, the fourth one. This one, this one.
This one is I don't know what say in
Okay, is this
English. I say
like
like a
temple,
King
right?
Ten Changra.
Temple, right? Okay.
No, this is not a temple.
Oh, wait for me. Okay, something like a city. Okay, I'm sure this is in China. The design
Yes,
is in China, right? Okay.
this like I don't know, but I think this is a city or like the a castle maybe
Yes, okay, or a temple.
a
Okay.
castle. I
Yes. So,
don't think this is a castle, but it's just like meaning that.
yeah. Okay, and I thought this is a temple. But all I'm sure is this is this is in China. Okay, how about the fifth
This
picture, the
is
last
the
one?
pyramid.
Yes, okay. Pyramid of Giza, right? Giza, Egypt. All right, let's move. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is a Taj Mahal, India. Okay, and this one, yes, Eiffel Tower. And this one is Eiffel Tower. That is in the France, right? Okay, the France. And here, oh, the Space Needle. Really?
I
Okay, the
don't know. I
Space
don't know this.
Needle. This is in the USA. Okay, this one. Oh, the Forbidden City in China. Okay, this one is the Pyramid of Giza. So that is in Egypt. All right. So let's go here. So for the table of content, we have just two. Okay, practice and grammar. Okay, let's go to grammar. So Taj Mahal was built between 1632 and 1653. And wait for me. Okay, so do you know already what is a passive form, right? Or a passive
Yes.
sentence? Yes. Okay, can you tell me something about it?
Mm, it's like if it's change the verb
Mm,
or you just take the ed
mm.
in at last.
Okay. So we should remember the structure. Okay. So if that is a passive form, we have a subject plus be. Okay. Be. So it could be is, are, Was where? Okay, it could be also a subject plus be plus past participle. Okay, past participle, that is a B3. Then that's it. Past participle. Okay, this is the passive form. All right? So just like here, Taj Mahal was built. Okay, was built. We have the the verb be, and we also have the past participle. Okay, the same as here. Okay, that is what we call, this is the example of the passive form. So for grammar locked, review of passive form. Okay, wait for me. So my favorite event of the year is called the Bristol International Hot Air Balloon Festival. Okay, for number 2, Singapore was built to be fun. All right, so Chels, can you just encircle the passive form of the sentence?
Okay. So wait.
Okay. Okay, was built. We also is called, right? Is called because passive could be in the past simple of the verb be, or it could be in the present. Okay, we're in completed. Okay. So very good. So I guess that's a correct answer. Oh no, that's really the correct answer. Okay, so for here, we use a passive form when the person doing an action is not known or isn't important. Okay, so again, if you don't want to know who is or who the one did the action, so or that is not really important, you can use the passive form. The passive form can be used with any tenses. Okay, as just what I said, you can use that for the present and you can use it for the past. Example, the present simple. Okay, sentence 1, sentence 2, or the past simple. Sentence 4. Uh-huh. This. All right. Okay, let's see now.
Wait.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. So, sentence 3. Okay, wait for me. Yeah, so sentence 3, wait for me. Yeah. Okay, should be a sentence 3. So why? It's not a sentence of 4. Okay, let me check why. Oh, yeah. Because we have a bean here. So if we have a bean, so it means that is a present perfect, right? Present perfect. But when we say this is not considered as a passive form because we have been. All right? Okay, have been, flown. Okay, this is the form of the present perfect. Started in the past but still exists at the moment. Okay, that is the present
But
perfect.
wait.
Wait
The
for
correct
me.
sentence is one.
Okay, the correct sentence is
One.
one. Okay, yes, one. And how about number 2?
No,
They're they are
like the
all
answer for number 3 is a one, not 4.
okay. Wait for me. Number 3. Oh, yes, that's number 3. Okay, 1. So it's not number 4. Because number 4 is not the form of the passive, right? Because we have been. Okay, have been flown. This is the present perfect form. Okay, not a passive form. You got it? Okay, that is why the answer is 3. All right, let's move. Mhm. Okay, so we have here active voice and we have the passive voice. So what do you think the difference between active voice and a passive voice?
Let's think.
Okay. So look at the different here. Melody writes the articles. The articles is written by Melody.
So, like, what's the difference?
Yeah. Okay, what's the difference?
Is the rights go to like the written and add something and take the away and replace with take the to the first and add is and by.
Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah. So for the passive, we have, wait for me. Let me use my ad. Okay, so here. Okay, we have by here. Yes. So this is also one. So when you say active voice. Okay, so active voice. Okay, so we also have a formula. Let me write here. We have the subject. Okay, this is our subject plus verb. Okay, so this is our verb. Then we have the plus object. Okay, that's it. Okay, this is the formula of our active voice. Okay. So how about the formula of the passive voice? Okay, we have subject. Can you still memorize, Chels?
Oh
Subject.
yes,
Okay, subject plus what is that?
subject plus plus care.
Plus
No. Plus object.
plus object. Oh, you forgot the verb be, right? So it could be in the past or in the present form.
I don't
Is.
know what's the active or the passive, and you sound so
I mean the
small.
passive. Okay, it's here. The passive.
You're so
Because in say
small.
wait for me. Okay, because say passive, active rather. So the formula of that is subject plus verb plus the object. Okay, so simple as this. Subject plus verb plus the object. Okay, for the passive, we have subject plus the verb be, right? So it could be is, are, where, was. Then plus the V3 or the P3, past participle. You got it?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the difference between these two. Okay, for example, the articles is written. Okay, we have the subject here. This is our subject. We have the be. Okay, is our verb be. And we have the past participle, and that is our written. Okay, you got it? Chels? Do you have any
Yes. Okay.
questions here? Mythical Smasher?
So I
Okay,
want to question like
yes, what's that?
what's the active?
Active. Okay. So when you say active, okay. So just like this one. Okay, this is a formula of our active. Subject plus verb plus object. You got it?
No, I mean what is active here?
So active. So this is the things that you uh do. This is the things that you do. So it could be at the moment. Yes. You
Oh,
just
okay.
active. When you say passive, so it's not direct. So it's not direct to the author, right? So it's not direct. So just like for example, the articles rated so by Melody. So it's not really direct, unlike the active voice. Melody writes the article. So right here in the passive, we have by. Okay, you got it? So that is why, so in order to write the correct active voice or the passive voice, we have to follow the formula or the form. You got it, Chels?
Yes, okay, so go.
Okay. Let's go. Let's practice here. Okay, we still have how many minutes? Okay, 3 minutes. Let's go. Rewrite the active sentences as passive ones. Okay.
Mm. A vet sees our cat twice a year.
Hmm.
So, um,
This is in the active, right? A vet sees our
yes.
cat twice a
Okay, let's
year.
see.
Okay, try it.
Wait.
That's too big.
Look,
Okay.
look at my character. I cannot write.
Okay, so just tell me the answer then, Chels.
Okay, so our cat
Okay, so
saw a
yeah.
vet twice a year.
Okay, what is that again? The our cat
Twice a year, our cat sees the vet.
twice
No,
a
saws the vet.
okay, so twice a year
Our cat saws the vet.
our cat sells the vet. Okay, that is still in the active form. Okay, so you have to remember, wait for me. Okay, so this one is the formula for the passive form. Okay, so we have subject
So,
plus
our
be
cat sees the vet twice a year.
plus P3. Okay, our cat is seen. Okay, it could be right.
Our cat see. Our cat saws the vet twice a
Okay,
year.
not so because we are in the passive form. Okay, it should be past participle, right? So what is our verb be there? Cat. So cat is only one, so that is, right? So our
So,
cat is sees. Okay, that
is
is seen,
sees
right? Okay, so let me reveal.
by vet. By a
Uh,
vet twice a year.
yes, by a vet twice a year. Okay, so let me reveal. Yes, our cat is seen by a vet twice a year. Okay, so number two, last night. Okay, this is last night. Last night, the police closed the roads. Yeah, because, oh my gosh, what happened to the text? Of the storm. Okay, this is
So,
separate and this is B.
the
Because of
police
the,
closed.
yes,
The roadblock is closed be, by the police last
all
night
right.
because of the storm.
Because of the storm. Yes, Chels. Okay, you're correct then. Okay, last night the roads were closed by the police because of the storm. All right. How about number three?
A famous author wrote a book.
Mm-hmm.
The book,
Yes.
the book is was
Oh,
written by a
road.
famous author.
Okay, what is that? It's already
Was
past. What is
wrote,
the verb
was
be?
written,
Was.
was
Okay,
wrote.
was written. All right, let me see. The book was written by a famous author. Very good. Number four.
They play cricket in Australia.
Okay. So what's that? Okay, this is
Cricket
our sub.
was
Yes.
played. They cricket
Was or is? Is this a past or okay? As analyze the sentence here. Is
cricket
this
was
was?
played in Australia.
Okay, was they play cricket in Australia. They play cricket in Australia. So it means that this is just in the present, right? Okay, the sentence is in the present. Okay, they play cricket in Australia. So it could be
So
cricket
they
was or
are
is.
in Australia.
Is
So
correct. Yeah, you almost there.
cricket was played by Australia by them in Australia.
Bye. Okay, so let's see. I think we do not have bye here. Wait for me. Okay, cricket is played in Australia. Okay, you're correct, Chelsea. You're almost there, but the difference is this. Your answer here is was. So look at the sentence. It's not in the past, right? Okay, that is why the answer is is. So you only have one
Okay,
correct
so
word there.
my father taught me how to sing. So mm,
Toad. Okay, you are the subject here. You are the subject. My father taught me how to sing. Okay, you are the subject.
I was taught to sing by my father.
Okay, I was taught to sing by my father, and of course, that is absolutely correct. Okay, great job, Chelsea. Okay, so that's all. It's easy, right? Okay, it's easy to
Yes.
identify the passive in the active voice. So, Chelsea, there, I'm so sorry. It's about time. Okay, so thank
So
you.
bye bye, teacher.
Yes, bye, Chelsea,
See you
there.
next time.
See
I
you.
joined a bit late.
It's okay. So as well as you, the more important is you can still join it. Okay, bye for now.
Bye, teacher.